Welcome to our lesson on classes in Dart, a fundamental concept that forms the basis of object-oriented programming. Let's dive into the world of classes and learn how to create and use them in Dart. Classes are essential in object-oriented programming as they allow us to model and structure our code in a way that mirrors real-world entities. They serve as blueprints for creating objects, providing organization and modularity. In Dart, a class is a blueprint for creating objects. It encapsulates data, attributes, and behavior, methods, that define the characteristics of objects. Let's explore the anatomy of a class. A Dart class typically consists of fields, variables that represent the state of an object. Constructors, special methods used for initializing objects. Methods, functions that define the behavior of the object. Let's create a simple class in Dart to understand how to define and use fields, constructors, and methods. This will serve as our starting point in exploring the capabilities of classes. Once a class is defined, we can create objects, instances, from it. These objects hold their own set of values for the class's fields and can invoke its methods. Let's see how to instantiate objects in Dart. Dart supports class inheritance, allowing a class to inherit properties and methods from another class. This promotes code reuse and enhances the structure of your code. Encapsulation is a key concept in classes, and Dart provides access modifiers like public, private, and protected to control the visibility of fields and methods. This helps in achieving data hiding and code security. Following best practices ensures clean and maintainable code. Use meaningful class and method names for clarity. Encapsulate fields to control access and modification. Apply inheritance judiciously to enhance code reuse. As we conclude, classes are the building blocks of object-oriented programming in Dart. Mastering the creation and use of classes empowers you to design efficient and modular code. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Also, subscribe to Coder Squad. Happy coding!